Today I will be showing to you Saucelabs integration with Selenium and Jenkins. Uh, if you want to run the UI test with Selenium in the cloud base, you need a Saucelabs or some other tools to use run your test in the cloud. Saucelabs is the most popular uh, tool I can say for right now. There's other tool also, but if you ask me that is that most preferable for me, I will say is no, it's not. But there's a solution for beginner who just started learning Selenium, and lots of company they use Saucelabs for easy integration and easy solutions, and they paid for it. There is a other way you can do unpaid option, is free option we have also, but I'm not going that part. You have to know the Saucelabs. So maximum company they're using Saucelabs or other tools. So let's see how we can integrate with Selenium with Saucelab and Jenkins. The first part is today I'm going to show what is the Saucelab and why we need a Saucelab and how to install Saucelab and use the Saucelab with simple code in our automation, Selenium automation. So this is my code, simple code earlier has used for this code. If you guys don't have, you guys can create one. This is my script base where I provide my browser, which browser I want to drive, and this is our all the published variable. That is the main point where I'm gonna keep my Saucelab things. Second is, you have, if you don't have Saucelab for testing purpose, create a Saucelab. You will be get free Saucelab account. You will be get free 1 hour. It's a 1.7 hour automated hour over here left side. You can see you can automated hour you have, and have live hour for remaining, and 2 currency limit. Okay, anyway, concurrency limit. So now if you create an account free, you will be get 1 hour or 1.7 hours for running test. For testing purpose I think is enough, or is a paid option. If you want, you can pay. I don't want to go about that. If you go purchase plan, if you go over here, you can take a look. So this is the after login, and you can see like that your uh, browser version of Saucelab. So now I'm assuming that you guys have that. If you don't have it, just go to saucelab.com and create your account, and now when you log in, you'll be see like that. So now let's do it actually, how we can do Saucelab. But you can see over here, you don't have to do anything else. What you have to do, you have to first, let's show it to here what you have to do. If you go here, the future activation, this is my my user, and if you go user setting over here, so this is my first name, last name, whatever, and email address I've here. This is my access key. So you can regenerate if you want this access key. Provide this access key because I don't want my password in the public. So what I can do, I can provide my access key to run the my code in the Saucelab. So I will be regenerated for, I want to regenerate for security purpose, because I don't want to use my one. After I run the automation and finish this video, I will regenerate again. I don't want to use my current shell. So now that's it. Over here we need nothing have to do over here. So that's it. And now let's, and remember this part. Okay, I will be copy this. Let's go my code first, then you will be see what I have to do in the code. I will do some changes. So what is this? A simple things. So now over here, just follow what I'm doing, then you will understand. I'm going to public static. Why I'm giving static, I will let you know why I'm going static. And final, because this will be my final declaration, and string. I'm going to give this is a user name equal, I don't have username right now, just assuming. Then same thing I'm going to copy here, and copy here 3 times because I need for 3 times. What happened? Okay, so now this is a name, then I have a access key. Okay, over here I'm gonna say access key, access key, access key. Then I have a, I'm gonna put the get URL. You can put URL you want, this is variable name, whatever you want. And now those things I have to provide here, those variable. Okay, so now value I don't provide here so far. So now let's see how we can find out those things. There's the username, there's the access key, and so now go here. What is my username? My username is here. If you go, my username, access key should be my username is, what is my username over here? Should be username here. So now let's see what is the my username. If you go here and user setting, and over here you can see, I think my first name, this is the my username, I believe. Okay, so I'm going to take my username as a user attribution. Okay, let's see. And now then I take my access key. This is my access key. Copy this one, I provide the access key. Just follow what I am doing, guys. If you don't understand, just follow it, and after that execution you will understand what's going on. Now that's get URL. Okay, now we say get URL. So now what we provide here, this is the URL we want here. So I'm going to copy this for now and change it like this way. So now over here get URL. So like look at that, your username, my username future attribution here. So what I'm going to do here, I am going to adding as a concatenate things username. I don't want hard coded here. So what I'm going to do, my username here, this username, right? And provide username, this username. So now when you put this username, is represent is, oh sorry, it will be represent. What mistake I did? Yes, I did not close this statement over here. Okay, so now this username is this username. Okay, same thing, access key. Yeah, so key, I did mistake here, should be key. Okay, same thing, access key, this is my access key, am I right? So do again plus and until 8, and I just parameterize these things. If you go here, if you want to my Saucelabs, this is CEDE8. Yeah, so this is my access key. I don't need here access key. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna take my access key variable is here, access key. Cool. Okay, so now I get my username and access key, I need to get URL, I got here. So this is the same way. Basically this whatever we provide, I just pass here. For I don't want to hard code it, I just get variable. You can different variable you can even use it. For that reason I did that. And now why I use static, I want when class is loaded, hold this value same as it is. I don't want to change every single time. So that's why I provide when the skip base is load, this test should be this static, this value should be keep it same as it is. So whenever I call this, this should be, the result should be same as it. That's why I use the static. And final, because we declare we're not going to call and over, that's why we use as a final. So now I have this part finished. So what I need more, I need to, like example, I call here Chrome, which is for my local driver, Firefox. Now I want one more step where I can put the Saucelabs. So now what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna say again else if, okay, I have else statement here. So now I'm gonna copy this part. So first we want to run in Chrome in Saucelabs. So what I'm gonna do here, Chrome Saucelab. Okay, just provide here Chrome Saucelab, nothing else, Chrome Saucelab. So now this is provide here. Now let's go inside what is supposed to be code here. So try to understand the similar things we running in the cloud, so we have to have different type of option we have to provide here. So it's called, we provide here like example driver, Chrome driver, as a citizen Chrome driver, but no, there is not remote. We have to use now remote browser. So for that reason there's a desired capabilities, it's called desired capabilities. So now let's do it how we can do that. So over here you can say over here desired capabilities. Over here see, this was Selenium remote desired capabilities, cool. Then I said, then you create an object, am I right? So now we're gonna say caps equal new desired capabilities. Okay, so you create a object. This, what is the object? Try to understand. This caps is, this object will be allowed to get inside the desired capabilities. So what is the desired capabilities? If you click here and it's a class. What is this class? This is a library. This class have all those options. So when you create an object, that means you have an ID to get in this library. Example, if you want to go like real life, go to the real life example. If you go into the library, you cannot just go, this is my library, let me use all the books. No. What you have to do, you have to create an ID. When you create an ID and you show the librarian, and when you show the librarian and you have access, all the access for whatever accessible for in this library product have, example the books, copywriter machine, everything. So when you show ID and the librarian will say, okay, you can take these books or not, or you can use this or not. So that means whatever have a library inside, you can use it if available. Am I right? Same thing. When I get an object and I have capability use for this this class library, whatever I have inside. For that reason, we creating a object over here. So now we create an object here, and we have a now we can use it. How we can do that? Same way. So we can say caps dot, when you say caps dot, so now we need to set the first our browser name. What kind of browser you want to use? Set browser name. Okay, so now before that we have over here browser variable. Okay, so we're gonna use the here our browser. Sorry, we're gonna copy this and provide a browser. So we want this browser, set browser. Okay, cool. Whatever browser provide. So what this browser is a, when I provide this Chrome Saucelab, it should be bring this thing, bring it. So now I have a server, we set up the browser. Now second, what I need next. Now remember that in Saucelab we have capability to use our the version for platform. So this is like which version you want, which device you want. You can customize this thing. We will do that. So now you will know how to do like different kind of version testing, also different kind of platform testing. It's very important to do that. In Selenium you can do that in grid or higher level testing purpose, but now it's easy to use in Saucelab. That's why lots of companies they like Saucelab. People like easy life. So less coding. So therefore that reason. So let's do it. How we can do now? We can again call my object and then I say it. Okay, set capability. Set capability. Okay, it says set capability. There you go. Now we have a string, key and value we have to provide here. What is the capability? So okay, I'm gonna say here, and what kind of browser you want to run the test. I'm gonna say here browser name, and now value I want Chrome. Am I right? This browser I want to run our test. So now set capabilities platform. So same thing, copy paste here. I need multiple time. I'm just copy paste. So now over here So now we have version. Okay, version. Which version you want? I'm gonna push the, for now guys, this is Mac. If you Windows, choose the Windows. I can run in Windows there because it's a cloud, but I'm choosing the Mac now, Mac OS. And now after Mac OS, okay, Mac OS full and space, and you want to provide the version 10.13. Cool. And now I have a version. What kind of test is name? Okay, test name. So I have XML file which is called regression XML. So I put the name as a regression. So what I'm gonna do, the name and as a regression. This is, you can customize whatever you want. Okay, name is a regression. Okay. So now I have a name of regression. Now that part is done. But remember that we need to call our browser. Yeah. So what I'm gonna do? Driver, cool, then equal new remote driver, remote web driver. Okay. So remote web driver, in this is a new, inside that you can say new, cool. Then you said URL. Okay, URL. Inside the URL you providing which URL you want. I want this URL. Look at that, this URL. I'm calling this URL. Cool. When I say this URL, and then I say comma, and I say caps. Okay, capabilities, and this. Boom. Our code is ready for testing. Our code is ready for testing. So now this here. So now if you go to the React XML, what you provide here, you provide a Chrome here. So now we don't gonna use run the Chrome. But we're gonna, what we're gonna use? I'm gonna use this Chrome Saucelab because I want to run the Chrome Saucelab. So let's go here and put the Chrome Saucelab. Okay. Now let's run the test. Let's see what happened. We assuming that it will be work. Okay. And this regression XML I have is simple verify valid login test. Okay. So now let's run, and we are crossing our finger that I'm hoping that this website will be open in our Saucelab and this test will be run. But because we provide here our username password for this. So let's see the first session. I know might be some issue or might be not. Let's do it. Okay, and we run my execution file, which is the QA, and this test is running over here. Let's go to our Saucelab. So when you go Saucelab, go to the dashboard, because I put the access key and go automated test. See over here, regression running. Okay, one test is running. So let's see over here what's going on. There is no video available. So what's going on? Our test is failed. It was pick up the video over here. See this video, it was pick up. So but some reason our tester failed. So let's see why is test failed. Let's try to find out. Okay, unspecified browser, Google Chrome, device. Okay, we did not provide the device. Do I need a device? You say here Google Chrome. Browser name might be changed. Let me put the Google Chrome. Okay, and version. They say here 13. Yeah, version 13 should be okay, and device unspecified. Okay, misconfigured. The configured is my browser. Let's see what happened. Now let's run the again. Let's see what happened. Okay. Unsupported Google Chrome. When this start happening, I have no idea. I'm just gonna debug. How, if I have problem, how do I find out this kind of problem? Let's now unsupported browser version device. Yes. Okay, I'm gonna copy this and go to the online. Let's see what's going on. Okay, this is easy way the resource to find out what's problem happening recently. To PM Saucelabs unsupported browser version combo. Okay, you see here Simulink problem. Okay, so now let's see what's going on. So okay, there is this here. I am facing the same problem as it tells me. Okay, let's try this one. I'm just following whatever they say here. Just let's see. It's a browser name. Yeah, I put the same way browser name. Nothing changed here. And then it's a Chrome. I'm just trying. Maybe this Mac O version platform. That might be reason platform. Okay, I did not mention here platform. Okay, so what I can do, copy and say platform. I'm not provide the version because version might be a problem, or Windows 8. I'm gonna provide here platform Windows 7. I say here 8 and okay, Chrome and version. I said over here version capabilities version, and I'm gonna provide here version already. This is a platform Windows 8. Okay, then they said here version 54. Okay, no problem. I put the version 54. Let's see, guys. There's something sometime always changes. I after a long time back I'm doing that, so let's try to what's going on. So I'm gonna run the test, expecting that it should be resolve the problem. Look like it's pick up. So now I'm gonna go to the my Saucelabs, okay, and go to the dashboard, and this over here open. If you click here, so boom. So now see over here, his login and verification happened. This website open here. It's not going to open in here when our test is passed. The good benefit of the Saucelabs is your local machine will be not used when you run the test. You can do whatever you want. You log in the cloud and you see the cloud test happen. And what happened? Now they recorded your session also. If you run the test, if you run the over here, you're saying that what exactly happened. Okay, and over here on the right side is showing what actually have, and now also they have a screenshot where they clicked. You see the screenshot over here. If you click here, you don't have to, it's so share. Okay, they did over here click. So now it's already configured. You no need to do anything. For that purpose, people are using Saucelabs, and those are recorded for certain days and they save in certain place. So for that reason, people are using, and see what kind of expert you is here, and he's showing example every single thing. So anybody can go and see what's going on. Okay, there's nothing mechanism you have to do. They do everything for you. You just follow. And then view the logs, you can see the logs, what you did over here, and the metadata, this information provided, who did, and who actually tested this, everything up. And we see that we have Windows 8 we define here, we can Windows 10, we use the Google Chrome 54 that we use, and public visibility Selenium test regression we did. So for now we can learn, today we learn how to use Saucelabs simple configuration. What we did, we explain here public final declaration that our variable what should be look like, that is username, access key, and URL. And same as it is what earlier we used the Chrome or browser session, we use here as a else if statement, and it's a browser ignore declare case as a Chrome source lab. Whatever provide you can name provide and use these capabilities. And when you did that, make sure when you go to XML file you choose as a browser as a Chrome source lab. Okay, you can provide if you want over here another else if statement, and you can provide as a Firefox, Saucelabs Firefox. Okay, for now that's it for today, guys. Today we learn how to use basic Saucelabs uh, with Selenium. Next video I will be explaining to you guys tunnel, Saucelabs tunnel, why we need Saucelabs tunnel, what purpose. So see you soon, guys, and talk to you soon. Uh, Feel free to comment the comment section, and if you like, if you don't like, just put the, just let me know. If you have any question, feel free to ask there. So that's it for today. See you soon.